Hello, welcome to another episode of the Asawana Farms Education Series. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can use Moringa as feed for livestock.
Moringa is not only valuable for humans, it can also be used to support livestock nutrition. Moringa leaves can be added to chicken feed where they provide protein and important nutrients. Goats also benefit from moringa leaves because they contain plant protein and minerals. Rabbits can eat fresh or dried moringa leaves as part of a balanced diet. After harvesting the leaves, the stems can also be dried and ground into plant meal. This material can then be mixed with other ingredients and compressed into feed pellets. Using the entire moringa plant helps farmers reduce waste and lower feed costs. This is one reason moringa is considered one of the most sustainable agricultural plants in the world. If you want to learn how to grow your own moringa, follow Asawana Farms for more food as medicine education.